try to imagine a world where everyone spends less time struggling through life and more time enjoying it. Where all our technologies are blended together to make every single person feel content and secure. This is the world that we imagine. This is the world that we strive for. And this is how we're making it happen. This is LG CNS. The roots of LG CNS can be traced back to the global corporation LG, who brought you not only some of the most cutting-edge products, but also the most prominent of technologies that enhance and enrich every aspect of our lives. Since its establishment in 1947, this innovative giant has reached meteoric growth and continues to fan out its influence to the nations. And LG CNS belongs to the communications and service sector of LG's portfolio. LG CNS started out as a joint venture between LG and EDS of the US in 1987 and became the independent entity of LG CNS in 2002. In the early years, our main goal was to strengthen the business of LG Group companies, and this pursuit led to many successful stories. We also had great accomplishments in the open market, earning international recognition. Through these references, LG CNS commenced its concentration to expedite broadening our global presence, expanding our international business portfolio. A new wave for LG CNS had begun. Today, LG CNS is combining our market-proven IT services with new technology platforms of cloud computing, big data, IoT, and mobile, and is applying them to a wide range of different industries in forms of solutions. For the public transportation, in which payments had to be made each time a different type of transportation was used, we came up with a solution that unified methods of fare collection across all transportation types. Incorporated with our cloud technology, transactions from multiple locations can also be processed remotely, greatly reducing redundant investments in the center system. In the manufacturing industry, we provide intelligent production systems interconnecting operators to smart equipments and devices. Incorporated with our IoT and big data technologies, these systems significantly improve productivity through continuous quality control and fault prediction, simultaneously over multiple production sites. As for other industries such as banking and finance, government, telecommunication, and media, we continue to expand our business portfolio by not only providing customers with new value through smart technology-based solutions, but also developing our solutions into business platforms. Building upon the solid foundation of experiences over decades, LG CNS was able to produce a variety of successful references and has caused meaningful growth in many ways, extending our services into 40 different nations via providing solutions that are both revolutionary and necessary for our clients. Through these success stories, LG CNS is ready and able to lead customers through digital business transformation in this age of digital economy. Behind these accomplishments, LG CNS, the best IT professionals, retains domain experts capable of converging new digital technology with their innovative thinking as their ideal partner. This is what sets us apart. This is what propels us to make strides towards places we have never been before, to services and satisfaction customers have never experienced before. It pushes us to the forefront as the digital innovation leader and compels us to drive harder in search for better solutions. It motivates us to be creative and to be passionate about making better worlds. And it excites us with the prospect of changes bringing happiness to all. By staying in the front line of technology and innovation, LG CNS will always continue in its path to progress with a ceaseless pursuit of change for the future. It is just as you imagined and more, as we are well on our way to reaching the nations. They are designed to improve your life. They are designed to improve your business. They are designed to improve your world. They are our solutions. And we are LG CNS.